is the reasoning coding. So we need to have some other questions to practice. First is your that I told you that you have to write whatever is the code is there. Suppose if read is written here and the thing is hash 5 modulus 6 is written, so write the main word here and the code below it. Okay, and then is paid is given, paid dollar sign modulus 4 and 6. So it is a combination of direct coded. I told you a trick that you if two names are given, two words are given, means it will be of direct code. So start writing. Ripe, R stands for your hash, I stands for your 4, P stands for your dollar sign, and E stands for your 5. So answer will be hash 4 dollar 5. So it is, we are able to see that it is looking in the option number A. So this is your answer. Got it? So next question is, your adventure is written as TDRESAVUVEN. So observe that, if you are able to observe that A first letter is interchanged with sixth letter, third letter is exchanged with your eighth letter, and your fifth letter is exchanged with your 10th letter. Okay, and all other letters are written as it is. Got it? So the same thing we will do with the surprising. We will change first with third, first with sixth, third with eighth, and fifth with 10th. Then you will get the answer as IUIPGSSRNP, which is option number C. Okay, so next question is, your explaining is written as PXEALNIGNI, right? So in this question you can see the first and third letter, means first three letters are interchanged. EXP is written as PXE, means second letter remains the same, first and third letter are exchanged. In the next, L and A get exchanged as A and L, IN as NI, G and I, last three letters are still again interchanged. ING is written as GNI. So you got the code. ING is written as GNI. The same thing we will do with our produced word. So we will get the answer as ORPUDECD. The option number C we can see. You can write ORPUDECD. The same code you need to apply on the second. Okay, now it is a code of direct coding again. Pick the pa means where are you, da na ja means you may come, and na ka sa means he may go. Now in this type of question, what you need to do, you have to check the common. Suppose if I take the first word and the second word, what is common in between? U is common. U common है तो coded word में क्या common है? There is a common of ja. So means U stands for your da. Fine. अब देखिए सेकेंड और थर्ड में क्या कॉमन है? ना कॉमन है और वर्ड में आपका मे कॉमन है. सो ना इज फॉर मे. ओके, अब उन्होंने ही हैज आस्क्ड व्हाट विच मीन्स कम. कम कहाँ पर है? यू में कम. डा और ना हमने कॉमन कर लिया है तो आंसर विल बी जा. सो ऑप्शन बी विल बी द आंसर. ओके, समझ में आया? मीन्स वी हैव टू decode it. We have to find the common English word and then coded word. इन तीनों को अगर आप simultaneously रखेंगे, you will get to know that the answer of ja is your come. Fine. Let us practice next question. Next question is, your gignatic is returned as GIGTANCI. So see here the same thing applied. First three letters are interchanged. Then again ANT is written as TAN, and IC is written as CI. ठीक है, not interchanged. ANT is written as TAN. Only third letter is shifted at the first place, और बाकी जो फर्स्ट और सेकेंड लेटर है उनको सीधा आगे पुश किया गया. ठीक है, द सेम थिंग वी विल डू हेयर. वी विल राइट एज फर्स्ट थ्री लेटर्स आर इंटरचेंज्ड RIM, नेक्स्ट थ्री लेटर्स LCA. ACL को हम क्या लिखेंगे? LCA. And ES को we will write SE. So we found this question in this answer in our in option number D. Option number B it is there, RIM CA LAC SE. Yes, option number B is the answer. Now it is pit name means come here, need ta ja means come and go. अब इन दोनों में कॉमन कौन सा है? इंग्लिश वर्ड इज योर कम इज कॉमन, और कोडेड वर्ड में NE इज कॉमन. सो मीन्स हेयर पिट स्टैंड्स फॉर योर हेयर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज योर ने टा जा इज कम एंड गो, जा सा रे इज यू एंड मी. द कॉमन इंग्लिश वर्ड इज and common coded word is ja. So ja is for and, right? So they had asked what means ta. Ta is your कम का हमें पता चल गया, and का पता चल गया, तो रिमेनिंग इंग्लिश वर्ड कौन सा है आपका? go. So ta stands for your go. So answer will be your D option. Fine. Next is your rave is coded as SXWB. SXWB is there. Rave is coded as SXWB. So you can go for C. R में +1 कर दिया, S लिख दिया, right? E में अगर हमें पता है that 1 and A stands at 1, A 1 पे है, इसके ऑपोजिट में उन्होंने X लिखा है, means X is at your 24th place, S is at your 24th place. If I minus 3 from A, we will get X. I told you that alphabets revise itself. So V and W. V is at 22. V is at 22 and W is at 23. Means 1 is increased. Next is your E. E is at 5 and B is at 2. Yani -3. So first और थर्ड अल्फ़ाबेट में what we have done, we had just increases 1, और सेकेंड और फोर्थ में 3 माइनस we have done. So same we will do with ska, SCAW. S में एक इंक्रीज करेंगे, we will get T. C -3 will be your Z. A +1 is your B, and W -3 is your 20, which is T. So answer will be your B option. Got it? Next question is your spank is returned as PSNAK. ये तो आपको डायरेक्ट दिख रहा है. They all letters are shuffled. SP is written as PS, AN, NA and K is written as it is. The same we will do with throw. Throw में TH को we will write HT, RO को we will write OR and W will be returned as it is. So we will the answer will be first option. Got it? Next is your odometer. Odometer is written as DUOMOTER. Same we can see यहाँ पर भी आपके जो letters हैं they are shuffled itself. UD is written as DU, OM is written as MO, ET is written as TE, ER is written as RE. So same we will do with here. Sublease US, LB, AE and ES. So answer we can see at B option. Next question is your Maple is written as Vauxhall. Maple is written as Vauxhall. So here you can see, अगर आपने अल्फ़ाबेट्स के रिवर्स याद किए थे सो आपको इतनी जल्दी ये कोड समझ में आएगा. अगर आपने वो याद नहीं किए प्लीज़ डू दैट, बिकॉज विदाउट दैट यू कैन decode your coding question. So opposite of E is your V, opposite of L is your O, P का opposite आपका K होता है, A का opposite Z and M का opposite N. So पहले उनका opposite क्या हो गया है, then positions are changed. So we will write camel. L opposite is O, we will write it here. C का opposite होता है आपका, C का opposite होता है X, it is returned here. Then E का opposite होता है V, it will be returned here. A का opposite होता है Z, it will return here. And M का opposite होता है N. So the answer will be O V N Z X. So we found it, this is in your C. I hope आपको समझ में आए होंगे question. These are the practice, and in next video I will discuss all your test questions that we had sent via link. If you have attempted it, check your points. Thanks for watching.